Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you'll need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly push it, the slot will come out, and now you have to put SD card right here and SIM card right here, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected, so let's enter it. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.